Hello, I welcome you all to this informative video by Gromoretech. Here we're gonna deal with smart billing system. So put your user ID and password and let's log in. After logging in, you can clearly see the admin dashboard. This gives you a lot of information like the total invoices you have made, the total margin you have gained over your base price, and thirdly, this gives you the total sales you have performed in this day, and the last step gives you the total sales you have performed till date. Scrolling down this window, you can clearly see a pictorial representation of your business, and I want to add on this that here you can see an inventory table, but you may have a different need, and as per your need we gives you a analysis, or you can say a report. So let's have a look into this inventory table. In this inventory table you can clearly see the product name and a track record on the purchase rates, current stocks, etc. If you maintain all these things digitally, मतलब अगर आप जो आ रहा है स्टॉक्स और जो जा रहा है स्टॉक्स उनको आप डिजिटली मेंटेन करेंगे तो आप जब चाहे इसका एक एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस ले सकते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द एडमिन डैशबोर्ड. नाउ आई वांट यू टू हैव अ लुक ऑन इन्वेंटरी डैशबोर्ड. In this inventory dashboard there are lots of things, but I insist you don't create the product directly. First create the unit for it, and creating unit, I must say that this depends upon your business. Suppose you are a wholesaler, then you need to create your business units like quintals, and suppose you are a retailer, then your unit must be in dozens. So all upon you. After creating unit, you can go to category. This again depends on your business. As per your business, just create the categories, and you can see these categories I have created, but I can edit this if I want in future. So just see how need to edit. After editing or after creating the category, now go and create your product. Here you need to enter the product name and code. After that this system asks you purchase rate and selling rate. अगर आप परचेज रेट और सेलिंग रेट दे रहे हैं तो आप कभी भी आप अपना प्रॉफिट मार्जिन भी इजीली पता कर सकते हैं इसी में से. सो अगर आप चाहें तो इसे, मतलब ये तो कंपलसरी है, आप a different thing. I'll explain you later. So however, let's move to the payment. I suppose to select the cash, and after selecting the cash, let me explain you the discount slab. In discount slab, I have gave almost 70% discount on products, and this is the tax slab. गवर्नमेंट के जीएसटी जो 4 टैक्स है, वो 4 टैक्स हमने इंक्लूड कर रखा है यहाँ पे। तो मान लीजिए मैं डिस्काउंट दे रही हूँ 10% का, और यहाँ पे टैक्स लगा रही हूँ 5% का। तो जो काट कुटा के कंप्लीट एक अमाउंट आता है वो आपका यहीं पे दिख गया। सो assume that the customer is paying you a 50 rupees note, then how much you need to return is there on your screen. You just have to look into the screen and pay the customer his money back. Here we have added a consumer name and consumer contact, which later will act as a consumer lead for sending them offers and all. So after adding all this, you just click on the pay. After clicking on to the pay, you can see the thing here, and once you click on to the payment, this bill is generated. You need to print this bill and hand over this to the consumer. And again, the POS system is ready for the second order. Let's just order something in credit. I have added kurkure and cold drinks, suppose quantity 2 and 4, and we will now learn to add this on credit. So let's just click on credit. For this product, I am not giving any discount or tax slab, so this is a credit system. So we need to carefully put the consumer name and the phone number so that we can contact him and get our money back. After putting the inputs, just click on to the pay, and after this the bill gets generated, and you need to print this. Where you can find this? See, there is a post credit consumers. Have to click on that, and in the front you can see this one which have a credit. Here you can the system also enables you to send them message frequently in 1 day, in 2 days, or suppose in just a week. This system gives you that facility. Suppose the consumer came after 3 days and he paid 40 rupees, and he said that I'll pay other 80 in some other day. So you can edit that over here, and when we click second time on it, you can see out of 120 he paid 40 and 180 he need to pay. This thing is also edited. So this system gives you all such features. If the same customer, so I hope all the payment methods are clear to you. Now let's move to the next feature of the system, that is the reprint of invoices or receipts. If you purchase something and your bill gets lost and you go back to the shopkeeper, you can find a dummy face or exclamatory face or a fine again to reprint the bill, because they don't maintain the bill usually, but in our system we maintain the bill. So you can reprint your bill using bill number or the price you have paid. Using all these systems you can reprint it, but I prefer the bill number. You must save the bill number in order to reprint your bill. And after clicking on to the bill number, you can see this receipt is printed again. So this is an feature of our system. I would like to enable I would like to show you the next feature, that is desktop pause. This feature enables you to choose the things just clicking onto the desktop if you have a touchpad desktop. So after selecting the categories, you can just click onto the products and the item will be added. Let's try it. So here I have clicked cold drinks, then paneer tikka and burger, and when I click these things got added. So now I would add the quantities, and then it appears the payment method. So I have gave you the details about the payment method, so you just do it. If the consumer gives 500 rupees, then you need to return them 170. That's also printed over here. So after this payment thing is done, receipt is printed. So this is a desktop pause option. This is for those users who don't want to write or just hesitate to write on the keyboard. This function is for them. So till now, if you have any doubt or queries about these features, then just comment it, and we will definitely try to bring you the doubt clearing video soon. So after all this, I want to explain you about the next feature, that is the sales. If you are a wholesaler and you are selling goods in a bulk amount, then you how to manage all this, just have a look on it. In sales, you have to add the consumers so whom you can sell. So first create a consumer ID by giving the names, the contacts, the address and the banking details. After giving all these things, you can just create it, and we have created some customer. Have a look on it. Suppose these are my customers and I want to edit the details further, then I can edit too. And after that, in order to sell them, come to sale option and add the quantities and items. After adding them, clear the billing option. Here you can select the consumers directly, and after selecting the consumers, just make sure the payment and receipt manner. Here, if someone gives you or takes you from the credit, that will also be maintained on the sales credit board. You can go to the sales credit and just give them messages, notifications for the repayment. After all this, I want to show you another feature in the settings, that if suppose you are the owner of the shop, so you have to see the admin dashboard, the profit you have made, the thing, all those things about your business, but you don't want to see show those things to others. So you want to give others access in the inventory and POS, but you don't want to give anybody access in the admin dashboard. So here you can just create a user. After giving all this credential, a user is created. I have created the following users, and I can customize what they can see and with what they can deal. After customizing these options, you just have to save this, and let's try this whether it happens or not. I have gave a limited screen access to Ajit Verma, and I will now log in using all his credentials. So now you can see, when I log into his account, I can just work with the inventory and a POS system, product sales. So here he can just see the credit customers and add the credits, and reprint the receipts and manage all inventories. But he can't have access to the sales or admin dashboard. This is a unique feature of our system. This will help you to deal with multi-user. So when I log in to the system again as an admin, then I can see all those things like admin dashboard, purchases, and setting. All those things can be seen to me. So this is all about a smart billing system. You too must try it.